How to create a stroke circular design like this in Illustrator using a script, a free script you can download, PC or Mac. Here's the JavaScript file. It's a JS file and you can edit it in TextPad, Notepad, TextEdit, whatever. All number of ways. Dreamweaver is another one. However, what have you got here? You've got a variety of different variables that you can tweak. You can of course tweak the code as well once you've got the file downloaded. Just go through it, say like number of points. So the number of points that will be created in a line, in this case 20, that's the default, but you can set it to 100 or 500 if you want more. You can also make it straight line simply by setting these horizontal and vertical directions to 0. So you can just change that as well. Also random stroke, to change the colour, so you don't have to have it random colours. You can have it all the original colour. Also, other things like the random width, so you can have a random width, so 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. for the width. Also, you can set start positions for it, so you've got here 500 and minus 500. That is the start position. You can set it to 0 and 0. If you want every single line to start from 0, just simply set this and set rel position to true. And you can run through these settings. I've given some description as well. And you can see the code there, which you can then tweak as well if you wish. To run the JavaScript file, go to File and then down to Scripts and then Other Script if you've got it in a location such as your download folder or on your desktop. And just select the JS file here. Click Open. And there it is. It's randomized. So the colors are all random colors, reds, greens, etc. As well as different widths as well. If the fill color was set to a solid color, then you will get a fill color here as well. It doesn't change that, it just works on strokes. So you can always go up here and set it to no fill for that. Select all of the paths, then go to Effect and down to Stylize and Drop Shadow. And with that, you can set it to 75%, 7, etc. and click OK. Now you've got a drop shadow with your lines. What you can also do is just create another path. I'm just going to go over here and select the ellipse tool. So with that selected, I can simply create an ellipse on top of all of those paths. Again, select all of them. With them all selected as well as the ellipse, go up to Object and down to Clipping Mask and Make. And that will create a lovely clipping mask and also a nice colourful design like that. And you can resize it, rotate it, add it additional times. However, what you can also do is you can recolour it. Go to the Edit menu, Edit Colours and Recolour Artwork. Now you've got a panel here. You can modify the colours using this, but you can also go here to Colour Library. Just run through that, maybe Art History and Baroque, select, and then the colours will change. You can also tweak it with many other colours as well. Please find the link to the download file in the description. If you've got any questions, please put in the comments section on YouTube. That will be great. Anything you'd like to see change, any additions, if they're possible, I will try and add them to that JavaScript file. Thank you much.